Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another day in my life vlog. It is a new week, so I just want to get back on track with everything. I'm actually going to Florida next week for Thanksgiving to see my family for a few days, so I'm really excited about that. But we have a lot to do. I have something in my eye and it's really bothering me. Anyway, like I was trying to say, we have lots to do. We're going to be doing a deep clean of my apartment today. I just feel like it really needs it. I have been very busy, so I've just been slacking on it. It's not like super messy in here. It's just like, you know, it needs that deeper clean. So yeah, we're going to tackle that today. So if you need some cleaning motivation, then this is the video for you. I also want to get in a workout, and then maybe tonight we do like a little self-care night. I thought that could be fun. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm wishing you all an amazing week. Also, I keep forgetting to do this, but our quick quote of the day is, it's not about being the best, it's about being better than you were yesterday. We are struggling today. My hair is not cooperating. I've changed my outfit 20 times probably. So I'm just kidding, that's an exaggeration. But I have changed it several times because I hate everything. So yeah, luckily we're just having like a chill cleaning day, so that's good. Anyway, I just got my work out of the way so we can get started. I also made a list here of what I want to clean just because I thought it would make it a little more fun, because checking off a list is kind of fun just to like see the finish line. So I think I'm going to start with laundry just so I can have that going while we work on our other tasks, because it's definitely going to take a couple of loads. I really need to wash our pillowcases, our sheets, and then just like our normal laundry plus random towels lying around. So while the laundry is going, we can focus on the not so fun cleaning tasks, which are deep cleaning my bathroom, aka cleaning out the bathtub, and I believe I have to clean out the drains today, like my sink and bathtub one, which is like my least favorite thing to do. It is so disgusting, and I hate when, if you go on Amazon and you buy like one of the things to clean out the drain, like people post pictures of what was in their drain, and I'm just like, ugh, so disgusting. I don't know why you would like post a picture of that, but yeah, someone's got to do it even if it is disgusting. So yeah, it's just what it takes to have it be clean. So also, having a dirty bathroom is like my #1 pet peeve, so we just have to take care of it ASAP. I usually clean my bathroom like several times a week, but I was just like very busy this past week, so I didn't really get around to doing a good deep clean. So yeah, I'm excited to do that. It just makes me feel so much better. But yeah, lots of fun we're having today. It is insane. Without further ado, let's cue the cleaning montage.
Made it clear what I feel for you when you say that we move too fast. Switching up your attitude, making love till you take it back. Pull me close, then you pull away. Now you treat me like a friend. All the wicked games you play, baby, I just can't pretend. Can we go back to that perfect day?
BRB crying and throwing up because that was absolutely disgusting. I started gagging. Yeah, if you've ever had to clean a drain, then you understand my pain.
I don't wanna spend my whole life waiting on your heart to change your mind. I just need to know if we can make it. It's messing with my head when you keep me on the edge. Keep me on the edge. Keep me on the edge.
I've earned myself a little break, so having a protein bar right now. Ari picked us up some. This is a Think bar, and it is in the flavor, what is it? I can't read it.
Brownie crunch.
It's so good. I don't know if we've tried these before. I don't think so, but they're fire. All right, I just threw in my second load of laundry. I put the sheets in. Now we're going to tackle the floors. The bathroom is complete. I did everything except for the floors. So we need to sweep, and then I'm going to Swiffer. I haven't Swiffered in a little bit, so it's definitely needed. I will definitely be getting in a later workout than usual, but I will get there no matter what it takes because I really need a good workout. I've been slacking a little just because it was the weekend. So yeah, I really want to make sure I do that. And it's already 3 o'clock, so we are having a little bit of a late lunch, but luckily I had that protein bar, so I will be good for now. So yeah, I'm just stalling here, not trying to clean the floors, but let's do this. Picked up some Chipotle. This looks so good. We're gonna watch an episode of the show Arcane. Ari said it's based off of League of Legends. I keep wanting to say World of Warcraft, but it's League of Legends, and it's actually so good. The graphics are really cool. We're finally heading to the gym to get our workout out of the way. It is 6:40. Also guys, I'm still not over the fact that the sun sets at like 5 o'clock. It's very confusing because it's so dark out, but it's actually really early. So I'm just like thinking it's later than it is. But yeah, anyway, I think I'm gonna warm up on the treadmill first just to get in a little cardio. And then I'm gonna finish off with a leg day because I wanna get the booty gains. I've been really consistent. I've been going Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and then yeah, it's been perfect just having that schedule. It's been really keeping me on track, so I'm happy about that. I can't wait to see like the gains in the next few months from being consistent. My gym music choice today is some T Swift. She's just been in the mood lately. Off my makeup, and now we're going to do a face mask. I really wanted to do a sheet mask, so I have this one that I got from Amazon. I really love these ones. This is a pomegranate. It says it brightens and enhances. It's packed with antioxidants. Pomegranate extract renews and rejuvenates for radiant, fresh, and balanced skin, evens and smooths complexion. So that sounds right up my alley right now. My skin is feeling very dry after washing my face, so this will feel really nice. And I'm actually gonna read my book while I have this on. The book I'm reading right now is so good. It's a murder mystery, and I'm just like very into it. So I've really been wanting to read it like all day. I look insane. That looks so scary. Oh my goodness. This is kind of terrifying. I probably should have worn this on Halloween. Having a girlfriend means she will convince you to do a face mask with her.
What's that supposed to mean?
I don't know. I feel like every girlfriend makes her boyfriend do skincare.
So. I thought you were saying I'm your girlfriend.
No, I was talking in third person, I guess.
That's funny.
We look scary. I don't feel. This looks terrifying.
I probably look way scary.
You already look scary. Just kidding. This is the book that I'm still reading, The Other Mothers. And also guys, look at this book. The pages just like fall out. It's just like very poorly made, I guess. But when you pull too hard, the page falls out. Okay, it doesn't work on that one. But a lot of the time the pages fall out, so yeah. I kind of just like shove them back in there or pull them out, so. For dinner tonight, I'm thinking of doing some tuna on rice cakes, an apple on the side, and then some cucumbers and hummus. I love how colorful this turned out. This looks so good. I also added some of this seasoning from Trader Joe's, their Green Goddess seasoning, to the tuna, and it actually tastes so good. So yeah, I'm gonna definitely do that from now on. I'm still reading while I eat because this book is just too dang good. I can't put it down. I have to know how it ends. All right guys, I think I'm going to end the video off here because I'm gonna get ready for bed and then continue reading because I am kind of obsessed. I need to know who the murderer is and I cannot figure it out right now. It's like super confusing, but I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe for more if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys so much. Bye.